All right, so here we are with the foam cannon, the Raincovo, and the Ryobi pressure washer. The Ryobi 1.8 new automotive pressure washer, that is. And here we are. Let's go ahead and foam it. Hey everybody, going to be washing my car today with the new little setup I got going on. Just wanted to show y'all, instead of the usual content of just some React videos, just showing y'all my little setup. This is something new that this is my second time using this. And yeah, I got myself like a little foam cannon here. This is supposed to make some very frothy foam, so pretty excited to give that a try. And as you can see, we got a lot of crust going on as far as like those, just dirty in general. So it'd be nice to get a little footage of this setup. All right, everybody, you would just get into it. We're just gonna be spraying it down for now. This is the quick connect I was talking about. Got this little collar we pull down, makes a nice little click. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this car wet, get all those all that nasty gunk just loosened up before we go ahead and hit it with the pressure washer. Feeling like the suds are a little runny, so I'm thinking I need to add a little bit more product. I'm here testing, like, to see, that might have been a little too much actually. I'm here testing to see, basically, like dialing in the settings for this gadget here. There we are, nice and secure. Got a little bit more product in there. I'm gonna give it a shake. We got like a weighted kind of like straw in there. So that what that does is that it, you know, sticks to the bottom, and wherever you turn the bottle, that little thing goes. So yeah. I'm going a little product crazy, but I literally have a whole half a tank of this left. So I'm gonna let that dwell, and while that's doing what it needs to do, I'm gonna go ahead and start busting out the wash mitts and all that. So I'll show you my setup for that. I have a bucket here with a grit guard, a wash mitt, and like a microfiber sponge with a little agitation side to it. But yeah, so check out this coverage here. This is obviously after it, you know, started beating off a bit, so it's emulsifying all of that stuff, and I'm just gonna hit it a little more, and then I'm gonna, you know, hit it with the microfiber wash mitt, and then we're gonna basically just rinse it off. So here's the wand, and then you get this and 2 other sizes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Here we are. Let's go ahead and foam it. that uses way less product than the one that the Ryobi comes with, which is this guy here. This dude does a decent enough job. It definitely gets the product on there, but it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a, you're gonna have to be moving around the car pretty quick because it does like expel it pretty quick. Yeah, so that's pretty good coverage as you all saw. I need to figure out the balance between foam, or not foam, a balance between soap and the water. I'm just kind of winging it, so I think it could be thicker. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dwell just like we did earlier. And look how good that looks. Good thing we're doing this before the sun comes out fully, because it's a nightmare to wash the car when the sun's out here in Texas. It'll be dry on the other side of the panel before you get to it. And yeah, so that's pretty decent coverage. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with the washcloth and then wash it down, wipe it down. And you know, that saves a lot of time, because I'm here doing the dance at the paid car wash, so I'm there like rushing against time, so it's a lot easier to. I've invested in my own system here, and with some YouTube suggestions like the quick connect fittings and all that, and this Raincovo. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with the foam again, just because I like it, okay? Because I like using it. Nah, but also so I can have like something smooth to glide the wash mitt over. Here we go again. I got about half a jug left. So. Now we're gonna basically go over it with our carbon fiber, our microfiber wash mitts. So, and I have a grit guard at the bottom of this bucket, so I'll be separating the good from the bad with that. And yeah, this it really didn't cost me that much. Like, for what you get with that pressure washer, you're getting a lot. It's $150. And you get a pressure washer. And it's not a like basic one. So there's a lot of cool features with it. 3 adjustable nozzle sizes, and the ability to not like to have a better pretty much car wash experience than like going to a self-serve car wash, which is what I do. I don't like going through the drive-in ones, drive-through ones. All right, it's looking good. I will say that the reason why I chose this soap is because I found out, see, these A-pillars are wrapped along with the wind mirrors, door handles, and the top there, roof. So I found out that if you use products with carnauba in them, that it fades it basically affects the UV protecting aspect of your vinyl wrap. So with this Meguiar's Gold Class, I'm able to pretty much do what I need to, but it's a pH balanced soap. So that's why I'm able to use that, because I think I yellowed my my white wrap a little bit, I would say, by using the soap that's at the free car washes. Not that I was using the brush, because, you know, don't use the brush there, but I ended up going this route with my own setup and everything, and I haven't looked back since. I'm gonna wash the car. gonna take y'all with me for a sec, just so you can see. Damn, like look how shiny that is. Like I don't even really. I still got a little bit more to do. Now she's glistening. Honestly, I could dry her right now, but I still got a good amount of that soap left. So I'm thinking I should do my girlfriend's car. Let me see where I'm at here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hit it with the foam cannon one more time, and then scrub it one more time, and then that'll be that. So I'll show you all the product after that.